check out these Polaris leather AirTag wallets made in Europe with premium Italian leather, and I think they're unbeatable value. First up, the Polaris Hobby Wallet, now with AirTag holder. I reviewed the regular Hobby Wallet previously and was impressed by the supple stretchy leather that allowed for a seemingly impossible amount of my credit cards, money, clutter, trash and even Legos to fit inside. Also used by Polaris CEO Thomas as his everyday, well-used wallet. I suggested Polaris make an AirTag holder version, and they did, this time with a more grown-up, stunning brown Italian leather, which will patina and gain character as it ages. Pop the AirTag in here, and now you're all high-tech and a minimalist all at the same time. Next up, a pop-up wallet with AirTag holder. I got sent both these AirTag wallets for free to review. Links are in the description. If you use the affiliate link to make a purchase, I can earn a small amount at no extra cost to yourself. Okay, this is the Viking RFID wallet with AirTag pocket. I've reviewed the pop-up wallets from Polaris before and found them competitive with the benchmark Secret wallet that I pitched one against. Cards in the aluminium center compartment are RFID protected and are ejected for selection with the lever at the bottom. There's a cash compartment and 2 more card slots. Everything that goes in here is secure with a push fastener. The leather AirTag pocket is ultra soft, protecting the edges of your AirTag. The press-stud fastener is simple and secure. Looking colourful in recyclable packaging makes them a good gift buy if you can bear to part with yours.